submit documents to Robinhood for account approval, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your application is processed smoothly. Make sure you have all necessary documents ready before you begin. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that Robinhood requires for account verification. This may include a government-issued ID, proof of address, and any other specific documents requested during the application process. Step 2. Log into your Robinhood account. Access your Robinhood account by logging in through the app or website. Ensure you are using the correct credentials associated with your account. Step 3. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for an option related to account verification or document submission. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your documents. Make sure to select the correct files and ensure they are clear and legible. Pay attention to any file size or format requirements specified by Robinhood. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading your documents, review your submissions to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the submission and wait for a notification from Robinhood regarding the status of your account approval. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email or app notifications for updates on your account approval status.